von Spritz, Flip, not the Fritz von Spritz, Flip. Now we follow them down just to make sure. Theory. We hit them with the quick dry cement that will freeze off their propeller and they fall down. Fair and square?
Fair und square.
Hit them with the cement already. Lucky for us, we are prepared for just such an emergency. A cement parachute.
Stretch, folks, and will it be Fritz von Spritz and Otto von Blotto, or Tom and Jerry?
It will be Fritz von Spritz and Otto von Blotto, that's who. Especially when I put into action the new plan. Now, mit der Seifengun, we attach to their gas tank and siphon out their gas yet. Fair and square?
Fair und square.
Right, George? I think we done it, Otto. We can relax and cruise home.
No, we can't, Baron. Look.
Ach, Himmelwurscht!